Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this video, we will solve this problem. So let us read the problem statement. So the problem is take in three inputs. We have to take age, salary, and experience. So then we have four options: A, B, C, and D. So while writing this code, we have to follow these points. So if age is greater than 60, and salary is greater than 20,000 and experience is greater than 20 years, then add 5,000 to the salary. And option B, if age is greater than 40 and salary is greater than 15,000 and experience is greater than 10 years, then we have to add 2,000 to the salary. If age is greater than 30 and salary is greater than 10,000 and experience is greater than 5 years, then add 1,000 to the salary. Otherwise, add 500 to the salary. In the end, print the final salary. So I hope you understand the question. So let us write the program. So import java dot dot star. So first of all, we have to take scanner class. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So we have to take three inputs. Age is a number. Salary is also a number. Experience, we will count in years, so it is also a number. So first, for that, we have to take int. So int represents number. So int age is equal to sc dot next int, and salary equal to sc dot next int. So int experience. So salary experience is equal to sc dot next int. Okay. So let's write the first point A. So if age is greater than 60, so if age is greater than 60, and we have another condition and condition. So and salary is greater than 20,000, and salary is greater than 20,000. And experience greater than 20 years. So experience. So let us copy this and paste here. So experience is greater than 20 years. So experience is greater than 20 years. Then we have to add 5,000 to the salary. So salary equal to 5,000 plus salary. So here the statement is, so we have salary. So whatever the salary which is present will be stored in the salary variable. So in the salary variable, I'm adding 5,000 plus salary. So whatever the salary present which is present in the salary. So I'm just adding 5,000 to the salary, and the total amount is like storing in the salary variable only. So I hope you understand this statement. So likewise, option B, okay, let us copy this thing. Let's paste it. So else it. So here age is greater than 40. Let us change the numbers. Salary is greater than 15,000. So 15,000. So 15,000, experience greater than 10 years here. So experience greater than 10 years. Then we have to add 2,000. 2,000 so let's salary. So if age is, and again, so again, we will copy this thing, copy paste it. So the third point is if age is greater than 30. So age is greater than 30 and salary greater than 10,000. So, and experience is greater than 5 years. So experience is greater than 5 years. So then we have to add 1,000 to the salary. So let us just change the number. So 1,000 to the salary. So last one is otherwise you have to add 500 to the salary. So let's simply we'll use else statement and salary equal to 500 plus salary. 500 plus salary. So and in the end we have to print the final salary. So here we will print final salary variable system dot out dot println. So the final salary is salary. So here the codes, so whatever which I wrote in this code will be appear here, and with that the whatever the amount which is stored in the salary will be present with this string variable, like not string variable, sorry, whatever the which I wrote in this string. So that string plus and the amount which is stored in the salary variable will be concatenated and will be present in the output. I hope you got it. So this is concatenation, like if any string and any number which adds, so then that statement will be concatenated. I hope you understand. So I hope there is no errors. Yes, there is no errors. So there is no errors. So let us write. So, so age 61, salary 30,000, and experience is 21. So here age is greater than 60. So 61 is greater than 60. It's satisfied. So end condition. So all the statements should be satisfied. Then only the statement will be executed. Or otherwise, this statement will be failed. So in this first statement, age 61 greater than 60, and which statement is passed. And after that, salary. So salary which is greater than, which should be greater than 20,000. And here I have given the 30,000. This statement is also passed, and experience also which is greater than 20, so I have given 21. So this statement passed. So whatever the salary which is present in the like a salary variable, and we have added the salary, like we have added the 5,000 to the salary. So instantly there is no nothing in the salary variable, so the output should be 5,000. Okay, so sorry. So we have given the salary, right? So 30,000. So this 30,000 plus so whatever we have added 5,000. So we just added and given the final output. Sorry. So and we will run this program again. So age is 41. Salary is 16,000. Experience is 11. So see this condition. So age is 41, which is greater than 40, and 15,000. So here I have given this 16,000, which is greater than 15,000. So experience, which is greater than 10. So this statement will be executed now. So I have given the 16,000. So we have added the 2,000. So the output should be 18,000. See here, 18,000. So likewise, this statement will also execute it. So let us check. So age 31, salary 11,000, experience 6. So this statement will be executed. So 11,000 plus 1,000, 12,000. So 12,000 will be output. See, 12,000 will be output. So if any of this condition fails, then the else statement will be executed. So let us give age is 15. So age is 15. So age is 15 and salary is 50,000 and experience is 15 years. So, so here age is so here age is should be greater than 60. So then only this statement will be executed, or otherwise this statement will be failed. So this statement also, if age is greater than 40 only, this statement will be executed. So this statement will also be failed. So this statement is also failed because it is greater than 30. So I have given only 15 age. So like all the else if and else if conditions fail, so the final thing else statement will be executed. So 15,000 plus 500, 50,500 will be all the output. So 50,500 will be the output. So the final output will be printed like this. So if you want space between this, so just add space here and do like this. So then you'll get the space. So let us give random numbers. See here, we have given the space. So it would be good. So I hope you got this problem. So if you like this video, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel and please share to your friends. So then, so they can be benefited by these videos. And if you want more videos of mine, please ring the bell icon. So whenever I post in the YouTube, you will get the notification. Thank you, friends.